Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's minds, unveiling the secrets of intermittent fasting. Please enjoy the content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Ever been curious about what really underlies intermittent fasting? In this episode, we strip away the mystery of this fascinating dietary technique. Intermittent fasting, EF, switches between periods of eating and fasting. Studies show it's as effective for weight loss as traditional calorie restriction, enhancing metabolic rates by up to 14%. IF can also boost human growth hormone levels, aiding cellular repair and potentially slowing aging. Research hints at cognitive benefits too, leading to a more agile mind. Let's dive deeper into the science behind intermittent fasting. How does it work and why does it work? Our bodies function on a clock, a circadian rhythm to be exact. When we eat, our body's insulin levels rise to process the nutrients from our food. It's during this time that our body is in a fed state. However, once we've finished digesting, our insulin levels drop and our body enters a fasted state. This is when the magic begins. In the fasted state, our bodies switch from burning glucose for energy to burning stored fat. This metabolic switch is the secret behind the weight loss benefits of intermittent fasting. Our bodies also start a process called autophagy, where our cells clean out damaged components, leading to potential anti-aging benefits. Interestingly, our brains also respond to fasting. When we fast, our bodies produce a protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which aids in memory retention and learning. This could explain the cognitive enhancements reported by those practicing IF. So, the benefits of intermittent fasting are not just about weight loss, it's about optimizing our body's natural rhythms and processes for overall health and longevity. Intermittent fasting is not just about when you eat, but also about what you eat and drink and how you listen to your body. Here are some lesser-known insights that can make your fasting journey more beneficial and sustainable. First, let's talk about hydration. During your fasting window, it's essential to maintain optimal hydration. Water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea are your best friends here. They keep you hydrated without disrupting your fasting state. Second, the focus should be on nutrient-dense foods. During your eating window, prioritize the fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally and can maximize the benefits of your eating window. Finally, remember the importance of intuitive eating. Listen to your body's cues. If you are feeling particularly hungry one day, adjust your eating window accordingly. Flexibility is key to making intermittent fasting a sustainable lifestyle choice, not just a temporary diet. These insights can help you navigate the world of intermittent fasting with more confidence and understanding. Now that we've unraveled some lesser-known insights and potential challenges of intermittent fasting, let's delve into some practical tips and tricks that can help you succeed in your fasting journey. First, start slowly. If you're new to intermittent fasting, it's wise to start with a shorter fasting window and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. This approach can make the transition smoother and less daunting. Second, plan your meals. Knowing what you're going to eat during your eating window can help you focus on nutrient-dense foods and avoid the temptation of less healthy options. A little prep goes a long way in maintaining a balanced diet while fasting. Third, stay active. While it might be tempting to use your fasting state as an excuse to lay low, regular physical activity can actually complement your fasting efforts. Exercise can help control hunger, boost your mood, and increase your energy levels. Finally, be patient with yourself. Intermittent fasting is a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. It's okay to have off days and to adjust your approach as needed. Remember, the goal is sustainable health, not perfection. Stay tuned for the next segment where we'll debunk some common myths about intermittent fasting. It's time to bridge the gap between the modern wisdom of intermittent fasting and traditional practices. Picture this. In our culture of constant fueling and overeating, we often overlook the impact it has on our health. But let's take a step back and consider this. Advocating for a minimum 8-hour gap between meals isn't just a modern health trend. It's a practice steeped in centuries of tradition, and for good reason. This gap allows your body the necessary time to reset, digest, and function optimally. It's a gentle reminder that sometimes less is more. By integrating intermittent fasting into our lives, we're not just adopting a new diet trend, we're reconnecting with a timeless practice that respects our body's natural rhythms, promoting better health and well-being. As we transition to our next segment, we'll dive into some of the considerations and challenges you might face when adopting intermittent fasting. Before we proceed to the challenges of intermittent fasting, let's delve into the importance of nutrient-dense foods. Remember, intermittent fasting is not about starving yourself, but about optimizing the way you consume food. First and foremost, let's talk about the power of nutrient-dense foods. This is a concept that resonates deeply with traditional practices and aligns perfectly with the principles of intermittent fasting. Did you know that starting your meals with a generous portion of leafy greens, like salads, can be traced back to ancient wisdom? This practice not only helps in filling you up, but also ensures that your body is fueled with essential nutrients. Aim for at least 7 cups per day. This way, even though you're eating in a restricted window, your body gets all the nutrients it needs. In the next segment, we'll discuss the considerations and potential challenges you might face when adopting intermittent fasting. As we transition from the power of nutrient-dense foods, let's focus on a key component of these foods, the building block of our bodies, protein. Protein plays a crucial role in our diet, more so in intermittent fasting. It's not just about eating within a restricted time frame, but ensuring that the food we consume is nutritionally balanced. Now let's talk about optimizing protein intake. This concept aligns perfectly with traditional practices that emphasize the importance of balanced nutrition. Our ancestors had a simple rule: include an amount of protein, roughly the size of your hand, in each meal. This rule of thumb not only ensures adequate protein intake, but also supports muscle maintenance and recovery, which is crucial when you're following an intermittent fasting regime. Protein-rich foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy products should be included in your meals. They not only keep you satiated, but also help maintain your muscle mass, particularly when you're shedding pounds during your fasting period. Remember, the goal is not to starve, but to eat smartly and efficiently. In the next segment, we'll discuss the considerations and potential challenges that you might face when adopting intermittent fasting, so stay tuned. Having touched on the importance of protein in our diets, it's time to explore another essential macronutrient that can significantly enhance your intermittent fasting experience. Fats. But not just any fats, healthy fats. These are the unsaturated fats found in foods such as avocados, nuts and seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. While fats have often been demonized in traditional diets, healthy fats are a cornerstone of both intermittent fasting and traditional practices. By increasing your consumption of these fats, you're tapping into ancient wisdom that recognizes the body's ability to thrive in a ketogenic state. This means that your body, instead of relying on glucose, turns to fats for its primary source of energy. Pairing a healthy ketogenic diet with intermittent fasting not only mirrors the dietary practices of our ancestors, but also promotes efficient fat burning and sustained energy levels. This could be the key to overcoming the initial hunger pangs and energy dips you might experience when starting intermittent fasting. So don't shy away from healthy fats. Embrace them as part of your nutrition strategy. In the next segment, we'll navigate through the considerations and potential challenges of intermittent fasting. Stay tuned. As we journey deeper into the world of intermittent fasting, it's crucial to remember that while timing is important, what you eat matters just as much. As we embrace healthy fats and adjust our protein intake, we must also ensure that we're getting a balanced intake of essential vitamins and minerals. This is where traditional wisdom and modern nutrition intersect, reminding us that a well-rounded diet can complement and even enhance our fasting regimen. In the spirit of our ancestors, let's not forget the importance of B vitamins, which play a vital role in energy production and maintaining overall health. These can be obtained from a variety of foods, such as whole grains, beans, peas, and lentils. Also, remember to load up on electrolytes, which are crucial for maintaining hydration and proper body function during your fasting period. Foods rich in electrolytes include leafy greens, avocados, and nuts. And let's not forget sea salt. While it might seem counterintuitive, adding a pinch of high-quality sea salt to your water can help replenish the sodium lost during fasting, ensuring that your body functions optimally. In the next segment, we'll delve into the considerations and potential challenges that come with intermittent fasting. As with any lifestyle change, it's important to be prepared and informed. Stay tuned. Moving on from the essential nutrients we need to fuel our bodies, let's not forget that food is not just about nutrition, it's also about enjoyment and pleasure. This is where the art of mindful indulgence comes into play. Our ancestors, while understanding the importance of nourishing the body, also knew the value of occasional indulgences. They practiced balance and moderation, two principles that are still applicable today, especially in the context of intermittent fasting. So, yes, you can still enjoy your favorite treats while on this journey. Treat yourself to occasional low-carb delights like dark chocolate or keto-friendly desserts, but remember to do so mindfully. Savor each bite, relish the flavors, and most importantly, appreciate the food. This is not about binging during your eating window, but about enjoying food in a balanced and healthy way. After all, intermittent fasting is not a diet, but a lifestyle change. In the next section, we'll be discussing the considerations and challenges of intermittent fasting, so you're fully informed and ready to embark on this journey. Stay tuned. Having discussed the balance between intermittent fasting and pleasure, it's important to remember that this journey is not just about the physical act of eating and fasting. It's also about mindfulness, listening to your body, and respecting its needs. This is where the wisdom of our ancestors comes into play. They understood that it wasn't necessary to constantly fuel the body, and that periods of rest and fasting were equally important. This is not about starvation, but about giving your body time to rest, repair, and rejuvenate. As you transition into this lifestyle, remember to stay hydrated, especially during fasting periods. This will not only help curb hunger pangs, but also keep your body functioning optimally. And while intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for health and vitality, it's not for everyone. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary regimen. And remember to listen to your body's signals. If you feel unwell at any point, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. In the next scene, we will delve into the considerations and challenges of intermittent fasting to help you navigate this journey with ease. Stay tuned. Before you jump on the intermittent fasting bandwagon, though, there are a few things to consider. As your body adjusts to this new eating pattern, you might experience initial hunger pangs. While these should subside over time, it's something to bear in mind. Intermittent fasting isn't suitable for everyone, particularly individuals with specific medical conditions, pregnant women, or those with a history of eating disorders. Navigating social events within your eating window may also present challenges. It's important to stay flexible and plan ahead to make the most of your eating window. And remember, even during your eating window, it's crucial to focus on nutrient-dense whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. There are some common myths surrounding intermittent fasting. One is that you must skip breakfast, which isn't true. IF is flexible and can be adjusted to suit your lifestyle. Another myth is that you can eat anything and everything during your eating window, which isn't the case. While IF doesn't restrict specific foods, prioritizing nutritious options enhances its effectiveness. It's also worth noting that IF is not a starvation diet. It's a structured approach to eating, with specific periods for eating and fasting. And before we wrap up today's discussion, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest videos. In closing, here are a few key points to remember. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods, optimize your protein intake, increase healthy fats. Ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need, and allow for mindful indulgence. Intermittent fasting is a fascinating and potentially beneficial dietary approach. As with any lifestyle change, it's important to do your research, listen to your body, and consult with a healthcare professional if needed. Until next time, keep striving for better health.